Heyo. How we doing? Happy May. All right. It's been a little while since we've done some of the common stuff that we do in terms of programming, banging my head off a desk, you know. I'm gonna try and do some of that again today, hopefully with less head banging. But it's gonna be just a chill night because I spent my entire day helping one of my buddies move in to their new apartment. So I am exhausted. Hope that is okay with all of you, because it's happening either way. Let me just check settings here. As always, if you could let me know how I sound, how I look, any issues. I appreciate your help. But it looks like we're doing okay. Yeah, I think we're all right. So let's get on with it. All right. So I actually worked on this a little bit this week. Did a lot of bug fixing. So all the logic kind of makes sense now, but we're still missing some functionality from the item drop system. So let me show you what we got. Let me go back to our main menu, just as a demo. Let me pull up my phone screen. Oh, it says my phone view is up. What? Oh wait, this is because I'm not. No, you're there. Why aren't you showing up? One moment. Got it. Sorry about that. Anywho, what you're seeing over on the right side is my phone screen, because this game involves you playing on your phone. So I want you to see what I can see. So I press play here. It's gonna start up the main menu. Let me hold this down so it's the proper size. There we go. So now if I go over to my phone, I enter a name for my character. Let's play around with some character customization here. I like the green armor. Where's the green armor? There it is. Those gloves go pretty well, but I think there's green gloves. Yeah, those ones. So I press play. He pops up in the game, which is good, meaning everything's almost working right. I'm supposed to be the leader though, and I'm not, so gotta restart. Try this again. The bug. I know it is. I have a list of bugs. There we go. Now I'm the group leader. It's fine. Yeah. So press start the game, because for testing purposes it's just me walking through the woods. I did make the fade in and fade out animations, I guess. Not really animation, but I made those longer because I noticed that it took a second for all of the foliage to kind of render, and that might just be an in-editor thing that might fix itself when I build the game, but I just put it there anyway. So everything worked fine. The crossbowman came up, pointed his gun at us, or his crossbow. Come back, He dies. I take damage. And that's still random for right now. Obviously that'll change once mini games are incorporated. But another crossbowman. There's only 3 enemy types right now. I want to fix that, but dies. I take some more damage. Keep walking. There's a 1 in 10 chance with every enemy encounter that an item will drop. But other than that, the game loop is running as it should. And if you were here, what, 3 weeks ago, you would have known that not everything was working well. Oh, look at that. Item dropped. And I forgot to fix the transparency thing. But anyway, you can see on my phone screen, it updated saying, this item dropped. Do I want to pass on this item? Do I want to roll for it? There's no functionality for rolling for the item, so I'm just going to pass on it now. And it should just discard the item, and I keep walking. Just like that. But one of the things I thought I fixed, but I guess I didn't, is that it should take you back to the inventory page on my phone. So that was another bug. So that's an issue. The other thing is, what you just saw, you didn't see an enemy pop up out of the ground, but it acted like there was one. That is just a rendering issue. I want to say it's with the in-editor. I really hope that that gets fixed with building the game. If that is the case, then I can add the mage back in that I took out forever ago. Because right now it's happening with the grunt, the big guy with the ball and chain, and it only happens sometimes. It's not every time that the grunt spawns. Sometimes the grunt shows. So I don't know, but anywho, see, there he is. He showed up that time. Everything is working great so far. See, that time he showed up. Anywho, let's go back here. Go back to our forest. Yes. First thing I need to do, I want to fix the phone screen thing. So if I refresh that, just so that's there, it should go back to that screen whenever the item drop event is done, and it's not. So switch over to Visual Studio Code here. This is where need to get rid of that. This is where my local server, or my WebSocket server is running, and then also the Angular client. So whenever, let me make sure I have my logic right first. So whenever that item drops, say that's under here, or is it elsewhere? I want to say it might be under the enemy spawn. I did clean this up a tiny bit. It's still pretty messy, but it at least is better now, I think. I'll take damage. Where did I put this? This? Nope, let's play no roll. Did I put it in the get highest roll thing? Yes. Show all inventories as the event name. So it emits that event. Oh, sorry, you're not seeing this. Right here. Emit the event to the WebSocket server, saying, you know, call this event, show all inventories. And so going back to Visual Studio Code, we get that here. It picks up the, oh, that's my issue right there. That should be a lowercase s. That might be the reason it's not doing anything. Anyway, before we go here, we want to check, see, Same thing. Just a typo. Okay, so the Angular client will update automatically, but the local server we have to update ourselves. Where did my terminal go? Alright, we're just gonna go like this, and then terminate this one. Do this, and then node local server. Listening on port 3000. All good there. Alright, let's try it again. Nope, that's the force level. That's the wrong one. And then, before I do this, just so we don't have to sit and wait for an item to drop, let's go to, not this. Nope, leave that there. Not you, but we need to go to, I want to say it's the enemy spawn blueprint. Yes, right here. Wait. Open data object item dropped. Where do we set item dropped at? Oh wait, it's up here. Yes, chance item drop. Let's just do... actually, let's just disconnect this and say item dropped is true, so that every enemy encounter an item will drop. Just for testing purposes. Alright. Let's go back to our main menu page. That's fine. And start. Just walking in the forest. Uh-oh. Whoops. We're fine. There's the grunt showing up as normal, which is always good. Minigame. Come back. He dies. Item dropped. Cool. Alright. So I'm on pass. I need to fix that. My bad. It's supposed to be transparent, and I know I need to go back and like change the origin of all those models because some of them don't spin in the middle of the camera, so they look kind of weird like that. Just bear with me for the time being. Okay, it went back. Cool. Alright. Issue is fixed. Very cool. Now if we go back here, we can plug this back in so it functions like normal. Alright. That was nice and easy. Let's move on to... I don't know what I want to do next. There's a bunch of things I could do. Like, last week, when I was doing 3D modeling, I made that little ghost. Here, wait, let me find him. Where's he at? Here. Where did I put it? Oh, did I put it in here? I put it in here? Yeah, here he is. Okay. Where did his animation go, though? That's what I'm really looking for. There he is. I load this in. Here is our ghost. So this is what your player character is going to turn into if you die, right? And he looks mostly fine, but if you see down here in his tail, he's got some clipping parts or some incorrectly weight painted items. So we could fix that. It's kind of a tedious but brain dead kind of work. Like, I wouldn't have to think too much about it. I just have to sit there and do it. Could do that. It's a strong option. Other things I could do. I could... Oh, let me get out of this forest. Hang on. I could keep working on the item drop system so that we have something in place for when players actually roll for the item and have it added to their inventory. That's going to be a lot, so I doubt we would get through all of that today, but we could at least get started with it. There's something else. What was the other thing? Oh, going back to the ghost. Add in a system for when players die. Have them turn to the ghost. Have them stop losing health. Things like that. That was the other thing. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take the ghost, put it into Blender, try and fix the weight painting issue. I think that would be best. Yeah. Let's do that. What am I doing here? One mesh characters. Did I save this? I think I did. So give me a second here. Let me open up Blender. While I'm doing this, let me remind you all, I have a Discord server, and I really want that to be active, full of game developers, gamers, artists, you know, whoever. Anyone interested in how games are made, whether you want to do it as a career, as a hobby, or you just don't know anything about it and you're interested. Link to that is down below if you would like to join. It's free. You literally just have to press a button, and once you're in, verify yourself to make sure that you aren't automatically kicked out. But please join. I'd appreciate it. On top of that, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on TikTok. If you want to see or follow me on any of those, links are also down below. And on top of that, as you probably noticed, I'm running an Extra Life campaign. And for every dollar donated, not only are you helping out children in need, but you also get to see me suffer because I will do one push-up for every dollar donated. $40 have been donated so far, and I have done 40 push-ups. And if you don't believe me, you can go check out my YouTube channel because all my VODs are posted there. Thank you. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna open... Oh, not there. We want this, and this, and this. Oh, hang on. Not open. I have to import because it's an FBX. Nope, not that. This one. Yes. Go find my asset that I created. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Where is he? Ghost body, there he is. This guy. His skeleton got all fucked up. I think. Or maybe it didn't. No, it's fine. Okay. So we just gotta weight paint the tail a little bit. Easy. Easy. So go down here. Nope, this one. This. Oh. Ah, Blender, stop. This one, yes. Alright, so I gotta find any things like this we want to get rid of. So we want the weight to be 0. Overlapping vertices. Gotta love them. I do not like weight painting at all, if you couldn't tell. I don't know if anyone really likes weight painting. If you do, please let me know, because you're a madman. Alright, we gotta go inside to get those other vertices. Okay. Almost got it. There we go. Got all the tail? Yes. Let's hide this skeleton so that it's not getting in our way. There we go. Uh-oh. Why can't I get you? Come on, you bastard. I'm gonna go under here. Really? Sure enough. Ah, there's still some there, damn it. What part of strength 1, weight 0 do you not understand, Blender? Okay. Still a little bit. Maybe I can bump that out there? Nope. Of course I can't. Why would I? Another awful thing about weight painting is it's very hard to tell whether something has like any type of strength to it or any type of weight to it. I mean, because all the different colors just mesh. Still a little bit in there. Ugh, such a pain. Alright, I'm just gonna call it there. I think that's good. Let's see, right calf. Yeah, we don't want any of that either. Everything that the tail should be moving on is just the left calf. Yeah. That is all that there should be there. So we gotta make sure it's not being affected by anything else. That's what's causing that issue whenever we put it into Unreal. Okay, calf off thigh. Take off the tail specifically, but the thigh can still move that part, I guess. fine. Pinky, yeah, Pinky's fine, fine, fine. Just making sure nothing else is affecting the tail. All I want. I think we're okay. Oh, my eyes are heavy. I'm exhausted. Can't wait to get up at 5:30 in the morning to go to the gym. If you couldn't tell, I'm just complaining. Feel free to ignore me. I will still be getting up at 5:30 in the morning to go to the gym because I enjoy it. Please do not take it seriously. Or anything that I say, really. I like to shitpost a lot. Going in. I see now why Blender was being, not Blender, but no, yeah, Blender. Blender was being angry with me because I wanted to make a loop cut for this tail, and it said there was no loop there, or something like that. All of these strips are not connected, so it does not see it as a loop, and I just did not realize that last time. That's on me. Why did I miss you down here? Okay. Still got a little bit left here. There we go. Still a little bit right there. Of course I can't get to that from here. Come on, you can almost get it. There we go. Good enough for me. Export as an FBX. And there we go. All right, let's see. Re-import with new file. Ghost body. Open. Let's see. You're still fucked up. Why are you still fucked up? Let me check. Yeah, you're still fucked up. You're better though, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I think it's fine. Good enough. Oh, sorry. Trying to stay awake. Probably gonna be a short stream tonight, though. I know that's a common trend with me. Sorry. Anywho, let's go back to our here. Let me put my phone view away for now, so you can at least see what I'm doing. Update player health. That is what I want. So here we set the array element, right? We get current health. Yeah, this is where it's updating it. So then after this, we want to check if player's health is equal to 0, or less than or equal to 0, I guess. So let's do that. Here we do branch. I feel like I should add a value to this saying is dead. I don't know. If we get this, we say is less than or equal to 0. Then we're gonna make a custom function here, or a custom event. Player death, and we're gonna call player death here. So player death, shit. We want to pass in the player probably to player death. So if I do this, nope. And an input of the player, and this is going to be of type player. What is it? Player. This? No. It is player. Yeah. Hang on. It's a player struct. This. Yes. Ah, shit. This player. Yeah. Okay, so player death, we want to first set their health to 0. So then, break player. I guess that doesn't matter. Can we say set? No, we can't. How do we do it here? Target arrays or game instance players. Yeah. Item make player. ID is the same, name's the same, hair types, or no. Shit. No, if we want hair type, head type, body type, and gloves type to be 0. I think we want you. This might throw me a memory error, but we'll try it out for now. Body type. I feel like body type's gonna be the where we put the ghost, but we'll put it in any one, whatever. Max health is fine, current health is 0, and player role value is 0. Well, let's put that there. And then player role value, I guess. Fine. Let's see. I'm gonna add another here. This is going to be player index. Be a type integer. Gonna plug into here. Player index goes there. Okay. So I guess let's just see if that works. I'm just gonna go to the force level because I have test data there. That'll work if I don't play along, which is fine. Selected. Okay. So if it does what I think it's going to do now, when a player dies, they're just going to disappear. They're not going to be given the ghost mesh, but they should just vanish. Oh, you know what? This might not work because I have it set up to the players array. I don't think this counts as the players array. We'll see. Oh no, it has to, because... Yeah, never mind. Ignore me. Ooh. Are they all dead? Just do one more, just to be safe. Okay. Why didn't that work? Because I made hair type. I don't know. Where's my add test group? Where are you? Right here. Got some game instance. Add test group. Let me go find that. This thing. Add test group. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, maybe I shouldn't change those values for whenever the player gets revived, because those will stay the same. So maybe if we just do this. Yeah, do that, and then get this, or no, shit. That's just player data. Shit. Group character. Does group character have... Okay, so the group character has their name. Let's go with that. So we need... shit. Here. We need to get all actors of class, type group character. So from this loop, we're going to do a for each. Or I guess we want a for each with break, right? For efficiency. So before each loop with break, we get the array element, we cast to group character. We say get name. We need a branch here. So if this name is equal to this name, meaning this is the character we want, then take this group character, we say set shit. Well, I guess we wanna, what is our note? Item is already a group character. I know, I don't need to cast to it, but oh wait. Oh, I see. I can just do that. Never mind, I'm dumb. So I want to say get what is it? Yeah, here we go. Get built. Get hair. Oops. Oh, hair. Get hair. Get whatever else there is. Shoulder pads. Get hands. Well, let's kind of arrange these, I guess, as items versus what's just part of the character. Get belt, get face, which is just the skin color, I guess. Get let's see, belt, face, feet. Get feet, hair. Did we get hands already? We did get hands already. Fuck. Get hands, health, helmet. Yeah. Anything else? Belt, helmet, feet, hands, face, hair, and then mesh. Mesh is the body. Okay. Get mesh. All right. So we say set skeletal mesh to nothing. We're gonna need like a bunch of these. You. I know this is extremely messy. It's fine. U. And then mesh, we're gonna set the mesh to ghost body. What do Unreal devs usually use for version control? I think it really varies by the person. I personally use GitHub. That's just what I know best. But yeah, really that's up to you. Yeah, I mean, like with Git or GitHub specifically, I guess, they do have a like a template git ignore file for Unreal projects. So that's helpful. But yeah, it doesn't matter. You can use any kind of version controller, source control manager, whatever. Okay, so after we set the mesh to the ghost body, we then need to what is it? Set anim. Is it anim instance class? I think so. And then this is going to be, or shit, no, I don't want this. How do I, what's it called on here? Mesh. Built to mesh, animation mode, and anim, oh, I guess it is anim class. What if I do animation asset? That's anim to play, okay. Okay, so let's see. Perforce looks a little scary, so it's good to know there are alternatives. Yeah, I've heard of Perforce, but I've never touched it. Like I said, I use Git just because I'm a software engineer, and that's typically what is used. I don't think anything's really scary though, as long as you just take some time to look at it. You know, Unreal Engine looks really scary if you don't know what you're doing with it too. Set anim mode? Set animation mode, yes. To why are you being dumb? Okay. Use animation asset. And then I'm actually gonna drag this over here. And then set anim, what is it, anim to play? Wait, what? Set animation. Oh, that's it. Okay. We want the ghost. Is it, what's it called? Ghost? No. Idle? No. Okay, hang on. I gotta find it. Get out of this. Go here. Where was it? Here. Yes. Animations. Idle, no weapon. That's what I'm looking for. I have to use that one specifically because I had to create a new skeleton for that ghost, even though it's using the same exact skeleton that I exported it from Unreal with. So idle, no weapon, and which one is it? Animations, no weapon stance. This one. Yes. See if that works. I just get to sit and watch them take damage until they die. See if they all turn into ghosts or not. Ah, an item dropped. Very cool. I still gotta fix that camera. For whatever reason, every time I open up the editor, I have to just change a setting once, and then it fixes it, because it's supposed to be transparent, so it shouldn't be that black box. That time an enemy didn't even show up. That is just a in-editor issue, like I said before. See, there he is. Doesn't make any sense to me. Oh hey, they're ghosts! Wait. They're ghosts, but they shouldn't have died. Why did they get turned to a ghost early? What happened there? Now they're not. Now they're a ghost again. Everyone except for that one player. Okay. Well, at least we know something's working, but not how we want it to. Alright, what's going on here? Oh yeah, and if this happens, then we can break. So, it's calling player death if the value is less than or equal to 0. Maybe... No, because that's right. That value is less than or equal to 0, then call player death. That should only happen when their health reaches 0. Right? I wonder if it has something to do... Because this has been a constant issue I've been running into, is with the saving the level state and saving data going across levels. I wonder if that has something to do with it. Like it's not reading their values yet, so it just defaults to 0. Possibly. Event update player health. Update player health is called where? That's for item rolls. That's creating players. Oh, it's in the enemy spawn that this is called. Hang on. This one. Yeah, that's item chance. Call update player health is right here. So this logic is not making sense to me. Maybe it's just a fluke. Let's try it again. Camera's still a little jumpy. I know that's a bug. Don't have any mini games yet. I wanna fully flesh out the forest level before I start any mini games, which should be soon. Once I get the item drop system fully functional and the death mechanic worked out, then we should be fine. Okay, nobody has turned into a ghost yet. Okay. I think that worked. I don't know. I feel like they all should have turned to ghost, but maybe it's just something with the values for text, I guess. Also, it's not setting their animation mode. I don't think. They're just ghosts. But after this, they should all be ghosts. And also that ghost mode doesn't save across levels, so when they come back, they're bodied again. See, why aren't they becoming ghosts? They should all be ghosts. Because their health is at or below 0. I definitely need to, like, put more time between events occurring, because as you see, it happens very quick. The enemy dies, the players take damage, players die if they're 0 health. I feel like spacing that out a little more would be better. But I also need to fix it so that their level state is correct. See, now they're all dead. So maybe the progress bars are just a little misleading. Don't know. Anywho. 8 o'clock. Alright, I said it was going to be a shorter stream tonight, and I was right. So, I'm going to call it here. I know it was just like an hour, but if you're still interested, I will see you next Sunday. That is when I stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a good night.